Hey guys, my name is Karen, and for my project I will be making a Colombian pastry called Buñuelos. Now we're here at Walmart and the ingredients are 2 tablespoons granulated sugar, vegetable oil for frying, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1½ finely grated queso fresco or fresh farmer's cheese, 1 cup feta cheese, 2 eggs, yuca flour, a pinch of salt, and 1 tablespoon milk. So now we're back at my kitchen and I have all my ingredients laid out. I have vegetable oil, milk, cornstarch, baking powder, yuca flour, 2 eggs, salt, my measuring spoons, queso fresco, feta cheese, sugar, my pot for deep frying, and a bowl where I'll mix all these ingredients in. Alright, so I have separated all the ingredients and put them in the proportions that they need to be in. And all we're gonna do for this portion of the video is, well, the first step is put all the ingredients together in a mixing bowl and mix the ingredients with your hands. So make sure your hands are clean for this portion of the video, especially for this portion of the video. Make sure to wash them. And here we have the 1 cup of feta cheese. We have 1/2 cup of queso fresco. We have 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1/4 cup yuca flour. 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. A pinch of salt. A tablespoon of milk. 3/4 cup cornstarch. Whoa. And 2 eggs. If you didn't already buy a pre-grated cheese, make sure to grate it with a food processor like we had to do. Alright, so now we have all the ingredients out in a bowl and you're gonna have to mix it with your hands until you get a dough-like consistency. Alright, I'm gonna start making my dough. While making your dough, make sure you get all of the ingredients that are sticking to the edges. Alright, so we moved the dough onto a disposable plate and we'll just be separating little pieces of dough and forming them into balls, because buñuelos are usually in a ball shape. So we just finished making all the buñuelos, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I guess this recipe makes 10 buñuelos. We're gonna put them into the deep fryer now. Okay, I'm pouring in some oil. Be careful. So be very careful when putting one in. place it lightly because you don't want to get burned. That was not lightly, but yeah. And then we let it sit for about 20 minutes. So we just put all the buñuelos into the deep fryer. Alright, so they've been on the fire for about 5 or 6 minutes. They have risen to the top and they're more golden brown. They only have about 4 minutes left now. They're getting their golden brown shell. Alright, so the timer just went off, as you could hear, and we are ready to take them out. Alright, we're taking out the last one. In Colombia, usually buñuelos are eaten with coffee in the morning. Alright, so this is our finished product. We've let them sit for about 10 minutes. And moment of truth. I love Buñuelos. They're so good. I have them aside with my coffee. Even better. Hey, Dad. My brother just got home. Do you want some?
I would love some. Ooh. Ooh. These are great.
Alright, so that was my video of me making my Colombian style buñuelos. I hope you guys learned something from this. I hope you learned more about the Colombian culture, because it's very important to me since I am Colombian and Puerto Rican. And I hope you guys enjoy. Bye!